Front wheels £10 each. Air filter housing £10. Front axle £15. Carb 20 quid. Rear grass flap £10. Starter recoil £15. Throttle mechanism £10. Grass flap £15. Exhaust £10. Coil £15. Blade £10. Dipstick £10. Front height adjuster £10. Boss plate £10. Boss £15. Pulley £10. Fuel tank £15. Rear drive cogs £10. Engine bolts £10. All 4 wheel bolts £10. Rear wheels £15 each, 2 of them. Deck £20. Box £30. Engine goes as scrap, and that probably bring a fiver in in the alley. Rear axle with working gearbox 50 quid. Flywheel £15. Underbody plastic £10. Cables £10. Handlebar plastics £15 for the pair. Both handles 15 quid.